What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't been uploading in a while, but there's a lot going on in my life right now. It's good and bad, but today is finally the day that we go get these fairings changed on the CBR 1000RR. The new fairings have gotten here. They got here actually 3 weeks ago, but they couldn't fit me in to get them installed until today, and today is the 28th of July. So thank you to my mom. She's gonna ride out there with me and bring me back on home while I take the bike. I was gonna load it up in the truck, but had a truck situation, and it is what it is. It's time for a new truck, basically. But I forgot my screw to mount up my GoPro to my helmet. That's at home because I'm in the process of moving, so you'll probably just see this video of the fairings going before I get to Rick Roush. But again, this is the eBay fairing. As you guys know, who have been watching the channel and subscribed to the channel, you guys know what happened with this bike and what's going on with this bike, and what happened with this fairing 3 weeks after I got the bike. So this problem is finally getting fixed. Again, Rick Roush did go ahead and purchase me a new set of fairings. I went half on the fairing kit with them, and then they threw in a rear seat cowl as well that I'll be getting. But guys, it's a bittersweet. I've just finally decided to nickname a bike. This is Bittersweet. So this is the new name for the CBR. His name is Bittersweet, because sometimes it makes me really happy and I'm cheesing cheek to cheek, and then sometimes other way around, big frown, big mad at this bike. Been through a lot already with this bike, and it shouldn't happen with the miles on this bike and how newer-ish this bike is. But it is what it is. Life is hard sometimes, and you got to deal with it. And I'm one of those strong people that God can put those difficult situations on to overcome them. But that's besides the point for right now. Hopefully they will be able to get it done within, I want to say, maybe a week. It shouldn't take them that long to put a new set of fairings on, but we'll see. So hopefully they did go ahead and get me the exact side and correct fairings, like this side here that you see. So hopefully they get me, this is the correct side. As you guys know, and have been watching the previous videos, this is the correct way the bike should look, with that RCV sticker and that black sticker right there, other than the eBay side where it doesn't have either of those. So hopefully this is what the bike turns out to look, but just newer fairings. But obviously I will keep you guys updated on that, and you will see the reveal of the new fairings. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys when this bike comes back to me with the new fairings on it. Peace. Alrighty guys, the bike is here at Rick Roush. Just dropped it off. Just talked with the sales department, and Scott in there. He was actually on his lunch break, I guess, but just took the CBR in through the garage door right there. So they said it would take 3 hours. Good. But I also had a little issue with my quick shifter. One of the sockets is like loose, and you can literally take your finger and take off the quick shifter knob, or quick shifter rod, which is no good. So hopefully they can get that fixed for me as well. They said they would have to actually order that part, because they obviously don't have it and keep that in stock here since it's an aftermarket part. But that's another issue with this freaking bike. So hopefully everything turns out good. Hopefully the fairings go on there nice and smooth, and hopefully we don't ever have to come back here again. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to update you, and again, I apologize for not talking to you guys on the way here. Forgot my screw for my GoPro set up on my helmet at my apartment, and I'm in the process of moving, and I was already at my mom's where I had the bike at, and she came to, she's helping me out, and she came to basically pick me up and take me back home. So thank you, Mom. Love you. Love your parents. do nice things for you, you got to return the favor too. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to follow up with you guys, update you. I know I haven't been uploading for a while. Like I said, I've been busy with a moving back over to the east side. I like the west side, the gas prices especially, like a lot of the stores on the west side, but it was just pointless for me to be paying my rent on the west side when all of my work, and I'm always over here on the east side, so it just didn't make any sense. And I've got some big decisions to make here too, along with buying another truck and proposing to my girlfriend and house stuff with her. We're trying to save up for a house, so this is the one, guys. This is it. So that's it. I know I keep saying that's it, and I keep going on and talking, but I promise that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I can't talk. Click on to the next video. Hopefully it'll be the surprise of the CBR fairings. Peace.